Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to train your Dragon Game's easy guide. Start by installing updates and backing up your save files. I'll walk you through simple controls, progression tips, and best ways to level dragons without frustration. We cover movement, combat basics, and resource management in plain language. You'll get quick practice drills and a sample routine to use each session. Stick with me and you'll be training smarter, not harder, in no time. I'll explain core controls, camera tips, and movement tricks to make flying and combat feel natural. Learn which buttons map to dodge, attack, and special moves, and how to chain maneuvers for combo damage. I include practice drills that you can repeat in 10-minute sessions to build muscle memory. Focus on smooth turns, controlled speed, and using terrain to your advantage. These simple habits boost performance and confidence fast. I'll cover progression systems, XP sources, and the economy so you can prioritize upgrades. Learn which quests and activities give the best XP per minute, where to find rare resources, and how to spend currency to maximize long-term gains. I also share leveling order advice for dragons and gear that keeps your party balanced. Follow these steps to reduce grind and enjoy steady progression through each gameplay chapter today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.